It's a wonderful admission question. 2 power root over 200 is equal to a power a. Then a is equal to what? Now we can start. 2 power 100 gun 2 instead of 200 is equal to a power a. 2 power root over 100 into root over 2 is equal to a power a. 2 power 10 into root 2 after applying root is equal to a power a. 2 power 2.5 times 4 root 2. 2.5 times 4 is equal to 10. We can write so is equal to a power a. 2 power 2 plus 0.5 times 4 root 2 is equal to a power a. 2 square into 2 power 0.5 bracket power 4 root 2 is equal to a power a. Now we can write on the board 4 times 2 power half bracket power 4 root 2 is equal to a power a. Now 4 root 2 bracket power 4 root 2 is equal to a power a. Now both sides of the equal is the same, the base is same, the power is same, so a is equal to 4 root 2.